after schooling, I was looking at options to, I had a very creative outset towards things ever since I was, stepped into 6th or 7th standard. So I used to look at things and try to solve them creatively. And when I stepped into 11th and 12th, I actually, a fun story, I actually took up medical in my 11th and 12th, but I soon realized that, this is not something I can pursue anymore. So I was looking at design degrees around where I was living, and LPU came up quite a lot in conversations. It came up in searches whenever I was researching about colleges, whenever I was researching about courses. LPU was actually the only good option offering a proper design degree around where I used to live. Like, actually, most of North India. So like there isn't a proper college that offers a 4-year design degree anywhere else other than LPU, at least what I could find about. So yeah, it was a no-brainer. We started off with really basics. We started off with stuff that you would usually learn in school. So if you would have taken up, let's say, arts as an optional subject in +1, +2, so that, like, we start off with like very ground building basics. So you learn like there's sketching, there's live study. You learn to work a pencil on a page. They teach you how to do it, and you gradually step up from there. And then there's design principles. It's a very well constructed curriculum. It steps up very gradually. It's not a very steep learning curve. So it's designed in a way, because it's a 4-year course. It's designed in a way that you can spend time on individual modules, and you can set your pace however you want to, and you can proceed at a very a pace that's comfortable with most of the students. So even if you are not really from a design background and you really want to learn, it's really easy for you to step into this course. I got the opportunity to work in Zozore. So at the end of my 3rd year, so a lot of companies were coming in for internships, right? Like for internship placement. And my placement officer at that time really forced me, really wanted me to sit into one of the internship placements, because I was not willing to sit in internship placements. But my placement officer was very adamant that I should, and that there's this good opportunity coming in. He presented me the opportunity, and he told me that it would be amazing for me. And I looked at the opportunity, and I thought, it doesn't hurt to sit in a placement. So I sat in the placement, and it was a company from Bangalore. It was a multinational company. They hired me as a graphic design intern, and I worked there for 1 year, and it was an amazing experience. Like, I couldn't have I was still talking to my placement officer a few days ago, and I was thanking him about the opportunity he gave me, because my internship just finished. I just, like, a few days ago I got done with my internship. Yeah, it's the people, it's the vibe. The moment you step into the college. So if you are going to get into the college, if you enter the front gate at 9 a.m., right, for the 9 a.m. class, you instantly hit with this, like, you're not alone. Just the sheer number of students you see around you, and everybody just walking towards their own classes, and there's just this vibe. It's like a very raw, very true vibe to LPU. The moment you step into the college, you realize that, okay, none of this is fabricated, none of this is made up. Everything is so real about this. Every student, everybody is just pushing towards something bigger than themselves. And when you see a crowd of people so passionate about something, or so geared towards something, right, it creates a whole vibe, and you're always drowned in that vibe when you are in LPU. You never feel like there's a low time, because it's always on an all-time high.